Hey guys, today I'm talking about how you can get your YouTube videos to go viral. Before we get into this, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I make videos about how you can grow your YouTube channel. So you want to know how to make your videos go viral? Well, I have the answer, and I'm about to tell you right now. So make sure to watch till the end, so you can make your videos go viral. So first thing you'll want to do is to make a good thumbnail. Now, lots of people fail to do this somehow. It's actually a pretty simple thing. Just load up some picture editing software or whatever, but I use Pixart.com. You should try that out, not sponsored. And make your thumbnails there. So then you'll have awesome thumbnails and more people will click on your video and view it. Second step is you want to have good audio, because when someone realizes you don't have good audio, they will probably click right off of your video. Now, for example, if you just went onto a random video about whatever, then you could hardly hear this person talking or whatever, then you would probably click off, right? Another thing you need to do is to keep your audience watching so the YouTube algorithm thinks that your video is awesome. And if you don't know how you can do this, well, I have one way that you can do this right here for you. You can actually just remove your intro and then get straight to the content that viewers want to watch. And if you don't want to remove the intro, then, well, yeah, people might click off immediately because they don't want to see your intro. But if you really do want to advertise your channel or your icon a little more, then just put your icon at the top left corner of the screen. That won't distract viewers at all. So yeah, that stuff will help you make your video go viral. And you might think it won't, but I'll quickly explain how that can actually make your video go viral. First of all, the thumbnail. The thumbnail will make viewers click on your video, meaning you'll get more views. The making the video entertaining part keeps them watching, so the YouTube algorithm thinks people are enjoying the video, and the title part is basically the same thing as the thumbnail. And I already explained the intro thing, but if you didn't hear that, then I'll just say it's because you don't want viewers to just click off immediately. And if you need your intro in there, then just do an introduction, wait a few seconds, and then just put your intro on there, and then you can get to the content right after that. And that will basically work a little better than putting your intro just straight up over there so people don't click off immediately. And 1 second. You see those two videos over there? Yeah. Those will teach you a lot of other things about your videos and YouTube and stuff, so click on them.